Choosing the wrong Nashville Roofing company can lead to poor workmanship, wasted money, and costly problems that show up years later. In Nashville or Middle Tennessee, this decision becomes even more important with the weather that your roof has to handle. Unfortunately, the Nashville area is saturated with roofing companies, and private equity companies buying local roofers has muddied the waters even more. So it's hard to know how to tell the difference between a reliable Nashville roofing company and one that you'll regret hiring. I'm Bill Ragan, and I've been solving problems with homeowners for over 35 years. Today, I'll go over the most important qualities to look for in a Nashville roofing company so you can make the right decision. Let's get into it. Why does choosing the right Nashville roofing company matter? Well, first off, roofing is expensive. The average roof today costs somewhere between $11,000 and $15,000. Larger homes could cost even more than that. And that cost depends on the quality of shingle that you use and the type of warranties that you want out of it. Installation quality is determined by the roofer that you hire. We've got guys that have been with us for 28 years. Most of our guys are certified through the manufacturer. So really, the quality of your roof is determined by the guys up on your roof installing it. It helps you avoid costly problems. A roof problem can be very costly, not only in fixing the roof problem, but also the collateral damage that it causes to the sheetrock and the framing and other items in your home that could be destroyed by a roof problem. It gives you long-term peace of mind. If you hire the right contractor, you don't have to worry about your roof. Let the roofing contractor worry about it. What are the best qualities to look for in a Nashville roofing company? Well, the first one is positive reviews. Read any potential Nashville roofing company's recent Google reviews from the previous year. If a Nashville roofing company stands behind their work, interacts positively with homeowners, and does the things the right way, it'll show in their reviews. It's also a good idea to read the owner's response to see how they handle negative reviews. Licensed, bonded, and insured in Nashville. Every Nashville roofing company should be licensed, bonded, and insured with the state of Tennessee. A licensed Nashville roofing company needs a contractor's license to legally and legitimately work in Tennessee. For insurance, a Nashville roofing company should carry both liability insurance and workman's comp. The bond is in place to protect you from being financially responsible if something happens during the project or to the Nashville roofer you hire. Strong reputation in Nashville. A good reputation is built over time, not overnight. They know the area and local codes. You can count on them being around to honor their warranties. Clear communication. A trustworthy roofer explains things in a way you can understand. They answer your questions directly and don't avoid the details. You should never feel confused about what you're getting before signing the contract. Detailed estimates. Reputable Nashville roofing companies provide a clear estimate. It should break down materials and the full scope of work. This helps you compare bids accurately and avoid hidden costs. Strong workmanship warranty. When it comes to hiring a Nashville roofer, workmanship matters the most. Ask how long they stand behind their labor and make sure it's included in the contract. This shows confidence in the quality of their installation. At Bill Ragan Roofing, we offer a lifetime warranty. However, you shouldn't settle for anything less than a 10-year workmanship warranty. No high-pressure sales tactics. Be cautious of Nashville roofing contractors pushing you to sign immediately. You should feel informed and educated, not pressured. A good roofing company gives you time to make the right decision. That's why we consider ourselves advisors instead of salesmen. How do you choose between multiple roofing companies? Don't jump at the lowest price. Compare the estimates carefully because it's not just about the price. Remember, the lowest price always has a price. Consider your experience around communication, professionalism, and transparency. Ask more questions if promises sound too good to be true. Summary of key points. A Nashville roofing company must be licensed, bonded, insured, and experienced. Strong reputation and clear communications are key indicators of trustworthiness. Detailed estimates and solid warranties help protect your investment and indicate workmanship quality. Avoid high-pressure salesmen or low prices that seem way too good to be true. Focus on long-term quality and trust. Choosing the right roofing company comes down to trust. Trust that they'll do the right job, stand behind their work, and be there to take care of your investment for years to come. If you're in Nashville, don't hesitate to visit our website. Learn more about us and request a quote to speak to one of our roofing advisors. If you want to learn more about how to confidently hire the right roofing contractor or other roofing information, go to our learning center at BillRaganRoofing.com. I'm Bill Ragan with Bill Ragan Roofing, and thanks for watching the Roofing Channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe so we can continue helping homeowners just like you. See you on the next one.